Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. First up, even though it's kind of good morning, we have Good Night, Irene. Look at that fun little check. It's by Betsy Chuchian. It's so pretty. It's a little bit different and brighter for Betsy Chuchian, and we're kind of digging the vibe. There may or may not be a haystack in the works, if you're into that. Then we have Cottage Grove. This is an AGF line. Yes, it's a smaller line because we used a lot of it in a kit called Nature's Nook. So if you want that kit, you can get that too. Everything for the top, the background, the binding, and the pattern in there. And then separately, you could get a couple of little panel doos. Hold on, there we go. How cute is that? It's gonna make just the sweetest little pocketbook there. Look at that. Okay, and then you have this. Oh, I love this. If we still had babies, but we don't. Look how cute it is. The sheep are frolicking. Show them the frolicking sheep. I mean, who doesn't love a sheep that frolics? It's so cute. Okay. Okay, so those are the panels. Oh, and then we have, this is, is it sea? It is Sea Glass Summer. I wasn't positive. It's by Sweet Fire Road. And there's a couple of solids to go with it. Pre-cuts for that. I feel like we have some. I'm not.
Oh, we do have new pre-cuts though.
Okay. We have Raspberry Summer. This is by Sherry and Chelsea. This is the Fat Eighth bundle, but we have it in several other varieties, including a fat quarter bundle, a layer cake, and some charms, if I can find them. I don't know. Are they down here? Look how pretty they are. Okay? They're pretty. Okay, we're going to back it up. Okay. Now we're going to go into our seasonal room, because we think 6 months in advance. So of course, here's some little fall things for you. These are called, what are these called? Harvest Beginnings. Beginnings. Look how fun those are. Okay, so you can start prepping for the harvesty things if you're into that. Okay.
And what do we need to wish them? Happy
Valentine's Day. I hope you have a great day with your loved ones. We're going to have an ice cream bar. That's going to be fun and cold, but fun. And let's see, no show this weekend, so no question. And that's all. Happy quilting. Bye.